how are you? I am having a good time here. It is nice and breezy and cool, super nice. And this is the eye on Calvada, or the Calvada's eye, or Calvada eye. It's a teeny little park. There is one street, it's just the one block, and you can park on either side, and there is fantastic trees. I don't know if you can see the Nomad back there, but it's a cute little park, and because it is grass and trees and water in the middle of the desert, it's amazing how many wild horses and burros come here to graze on this grass, because of course it is a little bit of a treat for them. So, and I love the desert, but I also like to have these kind of breaks from time to time. So this is what I am doing these days, and I hope you can relate to this and maybe give me more ideas of what other things I could do with my time. Because as a nomad, one thing we have plenty of is time. We have time to drive places, we have time to just sit and relax and do nothing, or explore, or hike, or meet with other nomads, and just have relaxing time, which I think we deserve after living many years of stressful lives. This is a good type of life. So, still, sometimes you cannot ignore what is happening around you and the noise. Of course, you could not read any news and choose not to listen to any news, and that's fine if that is your thing. So tomorrow it's going to be the 1st of November, and as some of you may know, SNAP benefits are ending for millions of people. That means kids that are going to go hungry to bed at night, and I don't know if you know what hunger feels like, but it's horrible pain, horrible physical pain. It's not just the idea, oh, I would like to eat something. No, it's pain. It's really painful. It's crampy. So it's not only these kids that are going like that, but also their parents. The impotence of seeing your kids cramp. I don't know how some people can sleep at night knowing they are sending kids to bed with achy tummies, but also creating this catastrophe environment in the house when the parents cannot provide for them enough, because maybe their salaries are going away on just paying the rent that is getting more and more expensive, and some utilities, and that's it. Let's not talk about the health care they are probably not going to get. It's food. It's the most basic of human needs, and it's something we shouldn't be playing with. So, since I am not rich, because if I were super rich, I wouldn't care. Since I am not rich, since I don't have the resources to help in any other way, I went to feedamerica.org, and I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. So I signed up as a volunteer and I chose a place where I'm going to be next Wednesday for a couple of hours in the morning, and Thursday, same. So luckily there is a Cracker Barrel not far away, so I am going to go there. It's going to be 1 hour of driving, 1 hour and 15 minutes of driving in an area I don't like to drive, but it's okay. It's my contribution to this problem to try to find small solutions. So I'm going to drive there, work for a couple of hours, hopefully make a teeny little difference in someone's life, at least by smiling at them and saying, hey, this shall pass and we will all be okay, I hope. And so I will work, then I will stay at the Cracker Barrel so I don't have to drive 1 hour and 15 minutes back and forth. And then Thursday morning I am going to work a couple of other hours. I think it is a food shelf. I don't know what I will be doing. I don't know, packing food or cleaning a bathroom. I don't care. What I want is to make a teeny little difference in someone's life. But in any case, if you can come up with any idea to help with this situation or any other situations that may need immediate help, please let me know. If you feel inspired to contribute some of your nomad hours, your time that we usually spend relaxing, please go to the link in the description of this video and see if you want to contribute, or check and see what other possibilities you may find that suit you, and let's try to do something with our time. Let's try to make our time useful for others. Let's try to put a little bit of balance in this universe that is kind of losing its balance. I appreciate you are here. If you are thinking of becoming a nomad, if you are a nomad, please help in one way or another if you feel like it. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like the video if you find it useful in any way. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we talk about nomadic things, and share this video with someone that may need a smile today, so they know there are people working trying to ease the pain of not knowing what to tell your kids when you don't have anything to give them. Hopefully those parents, with this help, they will be able to at least sleep at night and think, okay, everything will be fine, and transmitting that feeling of everything will be fine to their kids, so they grow up hopeful and happy, hopefully. So thank you very much for being here.